Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have this geometric neon look for you guys, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First off, I'm starting on a finished file nail, and I'm going to go into my Light Elegance Buttercreams, and I'm going to apply that white on my ring finger and my pointer finger, and then cure my light for 30 seconds. Next, I'll be using the Born Pretty neon pigments. I'm going to blend that into my tacky layer of on my pointer finger and my ring finger. And then I'm going to dust off the excess pigment, and then I'm going to go in with a top coat that I rarely use, and then I'm going to kind of smear the colors together and just kind of blend them together so that it makes a tie-dye effect. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to cure my light for a full 60 seconds. If you are going to recreate this look and you don't have a spare top coat, I would suggest to use a brush and just dip it into your top coat so that you don't get any pigment in your top coat, so it doesn't blend in and bleed and all that stuff. And I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers that wish me well. I feel a lot better, so thank you guys for bearing with me, and I hope that you guys like this look because I definitely enjoyed creating it for you guys. Alright, and once that's fully cured, I'm going to go in with Light Elegance Pop, Lock, and Drop, and I'm going to apply that all over the remainder fingers. And then I'm going to cure my light for 30 seconds. After that first layer is cured, I'm going to go back in with Pop, Lock, and Drop, and I'm going to apply a second layer and then cure my light again for another 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be going in with my Bundle Monster stamping polish and my Born Pretty plate. This is the BP-L054. It's their geometric plate, and I'm going to take some of these designs and apply it on my fingers that I did the tie-dye effect on. Now I'm going to go in with my Light Elegance Super Shiny Top Coat, and I'm going to apply that all over my nails and then cure my light for 60 seconds. And these are my final results. If you guys like this look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!